You call this a romantic getaway, Jack? It's a way, all right. But it's far from romantic.
I'm sorry, Lisa. The package looked great on the internet.
The internet. Jack? You have to be careful which travel sites you book a trip from.
How am I supposed to know which site to use?
First, you could have asked me.
Okay, Lisa. What is the best travel booking site on the internet?
That's easy. Bird's Paradise Travel.
Bird's Paradise Travel, huh? All right. I promise from now on, I'll book all our trips at birdsparadisetravel.com.
You promise?
I promise.
Oh, Jack. You're the best.